Okay, so problem 199, we got a ski event here, and we are told that the silver medalist has a time record of 1 minute and 30.62 seconds, and the bronze medalist has a time record of 1 minute 30.65 seconds. So obviously, the silver medalist would be faster because silver is a higher level of achievement over bronze. So we're just asked to find the time difference. So how much faster was the silver medalist, right? So the way we do that is we subtract the time points and find the difference, right? So what I want to do here is separate the minutes from the seconds, right? And right off the bat, we see that the silver and bronze medalists both have 1 minute in their records. So 1 minute minus 1 minute would be